When your Hair portable air conditioner fan stops working, systematic troubleshooting can help identify and fix the problem. We'll walk through the essential checks step by step. First, verify the basic power connections. Check that your unit is securely plugged into a working electrical outlet. Next, check your thermostat settings. The unit must be set to cool mode, and the target temperature should be lower than the current room temperature. A dirty air filter is one of the most common causes of fan problems. The filter blocks airflow when clogged with dust and debris. Now examine the fan blades themselves. Look for any visible obstructions like debris and test if the blades can turn freely by hand. If the fan blades move freely but still don't work, test the motor with a multimeter. Check if power is reaching the motor, and if so, the motor itself may need replacement. Finally, inspect the exhaust hose connection. A blocked, kinked, or improperly connected hose can cause the system to overheat and shut down the fan. These systematic checks will help identify most fan problems. Start with the simplest solutions like power and filter checks before moving to more complex motor testing. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Hair portable AC fan issues, it's time for advanced diagnostics. First, inspect the capacitor, a critical component that powers the fan motor. Look for physical signs of capacitor failure, bulging, leaking, or corrosion. Use a multimeter in capacitance mode to test if the capacitor can hold and release charge properly. If the compressor runs but the fan doesn't, the thermostat may be faulty. Test the thermostat for continuity using a multimeter to ensure it's properly controlling the fan motor. Water-related issues can also cause fan problems. Check if the internal water tank is full and inspect the drain system for blockages that could affect unit operation. If these advanced checks don't resolve the issue, it's time to contact professional help. Hair customer support or qualified technicians can handle complex repairs, especially refrigerant-related problems. Prevention is the best solution. Regular maintenance, especially weekly air filter cleaning, can prevent most fan issues and keep your Hair portable AC running efficiently.